Hey science fans, not entirely sure what's going on here, but it's pretty cool. Do some science anyway then. So today I'm going to do, no, I can't concentrate, this is too much. Hey science fans, so today we're going to do some chemistry, paper 2, Foundation Higher AQA Triple Trilogy. Everyone needs to do it. It's from the chemical analysis topic and it is the gas test. So when a gas is produced in a reaction, we can test it in 4 ways. You need to know 4 tests, that's 3, 4 tests. You need to be able to describe them, and just given any old equation, you need to be able to identify what gas is made and how you would test for that and what a positive and a negative test would be. Let's get cracking.
I've got lime water in here and a delivery tube. That's important that you know that equipment. In here I've got some calcium carbonate, which is marble, and when you add a carbonate to an acid you make salt, water, carbon dioxide. So what I'm going to try and do very quickly is put the acid in there and attach it onto the bung as quick as I can. It's not an exact science. There we go. Well, it is an exact science, I'm just not doing it well. Bubbling my carbon dioxide through the lime water, and if carbon dioxide is present, what will happen to the lime water? It should go cloudy.
It'll disappear.
It will go cloudy. It will form a white precipitate. Hydrogen gas. So I'm going to pop those in there. They're going to fizz away and they're going to start to produce a gas. Hopefully I can feel the pressure on my thumb. And what should happen if I add hydrogen?
Squeaky pop.
It should do a squeaky pop. So if we're describing this in the exam, you add a lit splint to hydrogen. Oh, that was a bit rubbish.
That's terrible.
Come on. Oh, it's a little pop. That was pretty good. It's not very squeaky. I think we'd have to use large quantities for squeaky. That'll do with that. So that is the hydrogen test. We have got some hydrochloric acid undergoing electrolysis. You can see loads of gas being produced there. What I'm going to use is some damp litmus paper, blue litmus paper. I'm going to hold it over, and this is a positive test for chlorine. If it bleaches the blue litmus paper white, and that we can see is a positive test for chlorine. What we've got here is hydrogen and chlorine being produced, but I'm only testing for chlorine. Boom. It's add hydrogen peroxide to my conical flask, and then I'm going to add something that's going to decompose it at a quick rate. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that to test for oxygen, okay? I'm just going to ask a volunteer to lend me their hand. Hold that for me. Okay, I'm going to pour this in. Okay, so that is breaking that down into hydrogen and, well, water and oxygen. I'm going to blow out my splint so it's glowing, pop it back in there, and it's producing oxygen, and so it relights it. Ta-da! Oxygen relights a glowing splint. That's it. 4 gas tests. We test for hydrogen with a lit splint and it goes pop. We test for oxygen with a glowing splint and it relights. We test for carbon dioxide with lime water and it will form a cloudy precipitate. And we test for chlorine using a blue litmus indicator, which is dampened, and it will be bleached in the presence of chlorine gas, not chloride, ignore that. That's all for today. You also need to know, for the chemical analysis topic, you need to know about chromatography, formulations and purity, but I'll do that in a different video. Laters, bye!